Hi guys, so you all asked me if I can make fry bake without deep frying. So this is what I came up with. To my flour, I put yeast, baking powder, salt and sugar. All of the measurements will be listed down below for you all. Give that a mix, and then I'm using 1 cup of water, 2 1/4 cups of flour. You want to knead it until it's nice and soft, not hard and not very soft. Once it's nice and smooth, cover with a damp paper towel, rest for 10 minutes, and then break your balls. Open out your balls, and then in a non-stick pot, we're adding a little bit of oil. We're adding the oil because we still want to give it that feel of a fry bake on the outside. So you see, we're not deep frying it. When small bubbles start to form, flip it over, and then we're going to cover this. We're going to cover it and allow it to cook until it starts to puff up and brown on one side. Then you remove the cover, flip it over, and allow it to continue to cook. Cover it again, let it do its thing, and you'll see how it starts to puff up there. Now, even if it doesn't puff up completely, you're still going to get a perfect bake with this method. It's going to give you a nice color. It's not going to be like a sada roti, but you may think that it's a sada roti, but just look at the inside. Perfect. How perfect does that look? So guys, give this a try. Let me know what you think. Look at the one that's not fried compared to the one that's fried. Of course, it will never be the same if you don't deep fry it. So I hope you guys appreciate that I tried to give you something healthier. Let me know in the comments.